exposing the truth in Venus weather. You won't believe what rains down on our neighboring planet. On Earth, rain is pretty simple. Water falls from the sky, helps plants grow, and makes puddles for splashing. But on Venus, it's a whole different story. Instead of water, it rains sulfuric acid. Yeah, you heard that right. Earth's rain is cozy and life-giving. But Venus? Its atmosphere is like a giant scorching oven with acid showers. Even if you had an umbrella, it wouldn't help. Imagine standing in a sauna with boiling hot rain. That's Venus for you. So next time you're caught in a drizzle, be glad you're on Earth. Who do you think wins this rain battle? Earth's gentle showers or Venus's deadly downpours? Let us know in the comments.